Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I am going to do a video, but before I put my gloves on or took out any of my ink, I got a package. Now, it's okay if you see my address because it's posted below all my YouTube videos. I'm in a pretty secure building. Anyway, this is a present from Saskia Smith. Okay, I don't have to slit it. So I wanted to open it. Try to get myself on camera too. I wanted to open it before I got my fingers all full of ink. And it says, "Hello, sweet Doris. Big hugs from both of us. Rob and Sass." Oh. Oh my God! Oh my God, there's two of them in here. I told her how much I loved this painting when she did it. And she is so good at alcohol inks. Oh, look at that. Oh, thank you so much, Saskia. I am so happy. Okay, let me put this down on this right here. And let me open this one. This is a surprise. This one is a surprise. I didn't expect this. I had made a mention how much I love that other one. Oh, look at these. How cute they are. Oh, Saskia and Rob, I love you guys. Thank you so much. Okay. Now, I'm going to be doing some alcohol inks today. I'm going to be doing a couple of different techniques, but it'll probably be one technique per video. This one will be the first one that goes up. So what I wanted to do, I don't need my letter opener. I'm going to speed it up from this point, and I'm also going to have just the camera on